Alligator. Hello! Today we'll investigate the indicator included as a compound of a trading system developed by a world-known trader Bill Williams. The case in hand is Alligator, an indicator helping a trader to determine and control the direction and the trend force. The Alligator is an aggregate of three moving averages constructed with certain parameters. In one of education videotapes, InstaForex company has already told you about moving averages and how they can be applied in trading. Bill Williams, in his books Trading Chaos and New Trading Dimensions, described a specific combination of middle lines and called it Alligator. Let us plot the Alligator indicator on the chart and find out how it can be used in trading. InstaTrader platform allows working with a big number of indicators and oscillators, including the work with such popular instrument as Alligator. It is very easy to plot the Alligator indicator on the chart while operating with InstaTrader platform. For this purpose, in the Navigator menu, the list of indicators should be opened by a double-click of the left mouse button. The Alligator indicator should be selected or dragged directly to the chart, or just click twice by the left mouse button on it. In both cases, we will see a dialog window where the indicator parameters can be changed manually. In order to return the Alligator's default settings, press the Reset key. After pressing OK button, the Alligator indicator will appear on the chart of the chosen instrument. As it was said earlier, Alligator consists of three moving averages. Bill Williams was describing this indicator and its components very figuratively. By the author's description, the indicator symbolizes a rapacious alligator which eats up the prices, and three components of the line have the same figurative titles. Alligator jaws of the balance line is a blue smoothed moving average, constructed by the median price, not by the closing one. Median price is an arithmetical average of the bar's maximum or minimum. The balance line is formed on the basis of 13 bars period and removed forward relatively the chart. Alligator teeth are indicated by the red line. It is an 8-period smoothed moving average advanced by 5 bars. Alligator lips, green line, 5-period smoothed moving average expanded by 3 bars in future. All alligator lines are built by the median price. Each of indicator lines comes as a line focusing a fair market price in its time frame. Alligator jaws give us more long-term view on the market prices balance. Teeth is a balance of prices for shorter period, and lips is a short-term balance line. It can be clearly seen that during the trend movements, the indicator lines are put in range and forwarded in one direction. During the price upward motion, the blue line is below the prices, and all the rest lines of Alligator, the red line is above the blue one and below the green one. The green line is above two indicator lines. During the downtrend, it is vice versa. In the periods when the trend is not expressed or it does not exist at all, the Alligator lines will be interplaced between each other, differently directed and put out of sequence. Observing these peculiarities of Alligator behavior, there can be generated some assumptions of the current trend character and its development prospects. Comparing the indicator with the raptor, Bill Williams was describing the alligator's behavior in the following way. When its lines are bound between each other, the alligator is sleeping. The longer it sleeps, the more hungry it will be. When it wakes up, it opens its jaws, and the alligator lines begin ordering in one direction, and the alligator starts eating up the prices. As soon as it is satiated, the jaws are closing. It is very time to complete a position. Despite an abstraction of the author's description, it keeps in step rather well with a classical technical analysis. The alligator's dream is a state when its lines are bound and placed mostly horizontally. This is a condition of market consolidation or a trading band. When the alligator has opened its jaws, this is a trend diapason breakthrough and the trend beginning. More often, for making a decision on opening a position, the alligator is applied together with fractals market indicator, and breakthrough trading is run within the trading range after the alligator's dream. As a breakthrough confirmation, the fact of breaking through the fractal level is used, which is fixed above the red balance line. This is one of the most widespread ways of trading by means of alligator. Aside from this, the alligator is often used for determining the flat market condition or for filtering the trading signals together with other technical tools of market analysis. Here our investigation of Alligator Indicator is over. We hope that presented information will make your trading more prosperous. InstaForex Company wishes you the best of luck. Goodbye.